Hi, my name is Humaira Masehoor, and I reviewed the book Elementary and Middle School Mathematics, Teaching Developmentally. It is for kids pre-K to grade 8, and it costs $133 at Amazon.ca. The book is quite expensive, but it's a fairly detailed book. If you look at the table of contents, there are 23 chapters, and the book is divided into two sections. The first section is fairly theoretical and conceptual. It talks about how children learn, how teachers are to promote that learning through problem solving, and how to plan for and assess that learning on a daily basis. And then the second section is an application of the ideas of the first with content from the mathematics curriculum. Why this book is useful? I found this book to have some neat features. For example, at the beginning of every chapter, there's the big ideas and mathematical content connections, which is an approach that suggests that teachers should plan their instruction around big ideas with real-life examples rather than the traditional form of teaching. The students are to bring their early understanding of mathematics concept and experiences so that the teacher has that interaction with them to create a good lesson plan, to diagnose students' difficulties, and learn more about the different ways to teach. There are numerous problem-based activities to engage students to learn mathematics. I've given an example of developing fraction concepts, and it's in the attached document. A third reason is that at the end of each chapter, there are two subsections for teachers and students to explore. There's a reflection section where teachers explore different ways and ask different questions to come up with new teaching techniques. And there's a resource section, both in form of literature, so short text that children can use. And then there's also articles and online resources. There are two chapters dedicated to teaching mathematics to children with diverse backgrounds. So it looks at inclusion and learning disabilities. And then there's the role of technology, such as using graphing calculators, computers, and online resources to teach math. I gave this book a 3 out of 5 stars because I think it's a good, useful resource for new teachers as they begin to develop their teaching pedagogy. But again, as I mentioned earlier, it's very theoretical and conceptual, and it might not be the best book to bring to class to teach from. All right, thank you.